Yes. I will tell her. She would like steak and lobster every night for supper. Hmm? What? Don't think that way, you naughty girl! Gosh! She didn't even want to know what she was thinking. Yes? Uh-huh. Okay. You cannot have my earring, you little suffers little toad! I'm sorry, I hurt you. Sorry. I'm just so sorry! I'm so sorry! Come back to me! It's got a pulse! Okay, so what were you saying? Okay. She likes fried chicken. What else? Okay. She wants to know if you'll go rollerblading with her this weekend. Yeah. I don't think she will. Wait. Don't think that way. She's trying her best, okay? Oh, don't. Oh, your head's a little hollow. Oh, that's a little more than hollow. Are you even alive? It's a snowball! Really? Seriously? I mean, come on. I could have guessed that one before, but I didn't want to because he's just fuzzy. Fuzzy. Fuzzy.